Another data cleaning and pre-processing is handling inconsistent or inaccurate data. Data validation rules, that you have to apply data validation rules to check for inconsistencies in your data, such as data type mismatches, format errors, or logical constraints. Identify and correct these inconsistencies or inaccurate data entries to ensure data integrity. There should be no form of compromise when it comes to data science. So that is that. Then we have data cleaning functions. What utilizing data cleaning functions or algorithms to correct inconsistent or inaccurate data. This may involve standardizing format, resolving naming inconsistencies. I'm talking about how you could handle inconsistent data. So, like some of the inconsistent form your data can be is inconsistent data format, inconsistency in correcting topographical errors. Those are the various ways by which your data might be inconsistent. Then let's go into feature engineering. You can do feature engineering is part of your data cleaning and pre-processing steps. Feature engineering. Now, feature engineering involves creating new variables or features based on existing ones to capture additional information or improve model performance. Now, what are we talking about here? After you have collected your data, you clean your data, you pre-process that data, then you need to do what we call feature engineering. So it is that feature engineering will help you to capture additional information in your data set, and it also helps to improve your model performance. Now, this feature engineering can include calculating ratios, aggregating data, creating interaction terms, or extracting meaningful information from text or even time stamps.